Zoom, इसको देखो. Zoom, इसको देखो.
So shoot करने से पहले आपने Kill Bill देखी बैठ के?
Yes, I saw a lot of. I saw Electra, I saw Kill Bill, and I did watch a lot of action films. But at the same time, I didn't want to watch too much because I didn't want to adapt someone else's style. I believe the fact that I've been an athlete before, I'm quite flexible, my body moves, and I didn't want to copy someone's style of action. I wanted to have my own style of it, and hopefully it works.
Of course it will. And there is a Kill Bill actor in this movie also, right?
Gordon Liu, yes. Again, I mean, I'm surrounded by kings of action. So I really had to make sure that I trained really well before I actually went on to shoot. But recently, Mr. Liu was in town and he was here for dubbing. And he saw a lot of my action scenes and he came up to me and congratulated me and he said that he's done a lot of action films before but he's never seen a girl do the kind of action that I've done. And for me that's a huge compliment.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, but coming back to the Indian image, you know, nowadays the bikini image is more in. Like you see pictures of Priyanka and you see pictures of Kareena and you see and you have consciously kept away from that so far.
It's not a conscious decision to do it or to not do it. It's the requirement has never come up. But more than anything, I always think that one should be comfortable in what you're wearing. And I think that if those girls think that it was required and if they can carry it off, which they have and done very well, I think they've done a fabulous job. So with me, the requirement has never come up and so I've never really given it too much thought.
See, you've done Om Shanti Om, which is a Red Chili banner. Then you've done a Yash Raj movie and now Warner Brothers. You know, God bless. You've just gone from strength to strength. What next, I mean?
Well, after this I have Saif Ali Khan's first home production, which Imtiaz Ali is directing. Right. And Saif's my co-star in the film as well. And after that I start Sajid Khan's film, which is directed by Sajid Nadiad, produced by Sajid Nadiadwala and with opposite Akshay again, and that's a comedy film. So that's my lineup of films in the next couple of months.
And you played, like I said, an Indian girl, a Western girl and a Chinese girl. So next, Red Indian?
I'd like to believe that I can carry it all off. So, and I'm glad that that we're trying different things. I'm glad that we're experimenting with different kinds of, not only different kinds of roles, but different kinds of looks. And what is even more interesting is the fact that the audience has started appreciating and they look forward to different kinds of things. And that's wonderful for me as an actor because it just makes my character a lot more, yeah, it just adds a lot more dimension to it.
And आपने अभी कहा कि you were scared when Akshay took the sword out, right? Is it because certain heroes are injuring certain heroines nowadays? Abhi Ranveer just injured Katrina, right? Accidentally.
Well, you know, these things are bound to happen. I think with someone like Akshay, he's just too good at it to make a mistake. Every time I've done an action sequence with him and I always tell him, you know, be careful and keep your distance and this and that. And he's always saying, you don't worry and you do your thing and I'll take care of myself and I make sure that I don't come in your way. But that's obviously because he's been around for so long and he's mastered the art of that. So he knows how to do his thing, but at the same time take care of what is happening around. Ranveer's never attempted action before and I'm sure he'll learn.
He's not hurt you anytime, no?
No.